कलाकृती संस्था आणि गोय मनरिजवण संस्थेच्या जोडपालवान 8 ते 10 सप्टेंबर मजगती पर्यावरण चित्रपट महोत्सव आयोजित करतले। ह्या निमतान प्रदूषण ह्या विषयाचे लघुपट स्पर्धेचे आयोजन करतले अशी माहिती गोय मनरिजवण संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष राजेंद्र तलक हांणी दिल्या।
This is open for school, colleges and individuals and open for only short film category. For school level, first prize will be 10,000, second prize will be 5,000. For colleges, first prize will be 10,000, second prize will be 5,000. And for individual, first prize is 20,000 and second prize is 10,000. The duration of the film, short film, will be between 3 to 10 minutes. So minimum 3 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Languages will be Kokani, Marathi, Hindi and English. No censorship is required for these short films. The winners, the award-winning films in each category will be screened during environmental festival which will be held from 8 to 10 September at Black Box Kala Academy, which will be organized by Kalakirti. The form is available on the website. Go to the website, download the form, fill it and give it to the copy to the office for registration that you are going to participate. So registration has to be done by 5th August. And all the data can be submitted along with the application form with the necessary documents such as synopsis is there, cast list is there, one affidavit is there. That's why in the form of DVD or Blu-ray or pen drive, whatever is 31st August. And the results will be out on 8th of September. This is open only for Goan filmmakers. The short film competition is only people who are born and brought up in Goa.
Together we organize this festival with the sole aim and objective of awareness among the locals about taking care of our environment because of the degrading environmental position that we are in now due to development that is taking place. The subjects covered for the competition so far have been garbage, water, rivers. Waste was one of the subjects in the first year also, and this year we have taken pollution, which we had not covered in all these years. The response so far from the institutions have been very good in last 4 years, and with ASJ as our partners, we are looking forward to a better and bigger festival in this regard.
तशेंच गोय मनरिजवण संस्था 18 ते 20 ऑगस्ट मजगती गिरीश कासरवाली चित्रपट महोत्सव आयोजित करतले म्हण तालक उलयला। पणजेच्या नार्डे एक्सपो खातीर संजय मनोली।
They are going to have Girish Kasarwali's film festival, that is Kannada Film Festival. This festival is going to be held from 18 to 20th August. His 4 films will be screened during these days and he will be present. The detailed program will send you later, the name of the films, what time it is going to be. It is still in the pipeline. Again, it is open for all cinephile members as well as others.